Hello everyone, this is Sidra and you are watching me on Trends 21. Today's topic is the hottest one for those who are seriously trying to learn English language. And this is obviously my topic too, as I am also a learner and I would be till my last breath. So move forward with some solutions of this problem, that why I feel a blank mind when I start speaking English. Means whenever I try, I have listened this question from my students many times, that whenever they start speaking, they just become blank. They don't know what to say. They are not having enough vocabulary. They just lose the courage. They just feel that they are not knowing what they want to say. So I am having some solutions of this problem. Let's start. And first of all, see a child, observe him. You can observe that the child is trying to learn new words without knowing that this is wrong. If he says just wa to water, he doesn't know that the right one is water and he is spelling wrong or he is saying wrong. He just knows that this is wa. Just as a child, be confident and just be confident that you are speaking the right thing and this is what you know. Why don't you accept this, that you know this and this is enough for you? Let's open its more sides. Let me tell you one thing to encourage you, that this is not your fault. This fault exists in our school systems. It starts from the day when we join any educational institution. We are just guided as we have to learn something, that means to cram something. And if we are not cramming it properly, we are failed. Besides, in the higher classes, when we are provided with good vocabulary, with good books, with good teachers, excellent language labs, there is no chance to expose yourself, to speak it up, what you have in your brains. That's why you feel double depression. Once is related to the discouragement and the other one is related to the dumb expression that is given to you as a gift. Sorry to say. So I am here to tell you that just throw out this unconfident feeling that you are not having anything in your brain. Now I am going to prove this, that you can speak English even if you are not having words in your brain. It looks impossible. I can prove it. You are going for the shopping. You enter in a shop where you are shopping a pair of shoes. Okay, you like the shoe, you hold it in your hand and you say, okay, let me try and let me put it on. You just put it on, means you just wear the shoe and you say, you want to say that it is not accurate of your size, means it is not your size. So you don't know how to say. You say, it is not fit. But you don't know, you just think on and on and on and then you say, no, just one word, no. You must be thinking of it that if you are not finding the right thing, you can say not fit. This will give you a confidence, a little confidence that can lead you towards the little one more, a bigger one, a tiny bigger one. That is your success. I mean that you will learn it. Be confident of this, that you cannot learn English language in 1 hour. You need some months, could be years. You could never be perfect for the very first time. You must be confident that you are learning and you will have to learn until you touch the boundaries. So don't be confused. You are going anywhere. You are not finding the proper words. Replace your words. Whatever you are having in your mind, just replace it with that. What you are not finding. For example, you go to a new institution. You are totally confused. You see some kids around you. You want to talk to them, but you are afraid of it, that you can't speak English. You must take a start from anywhere. For example, you can tell them, my name is Sidra. What is your? Then your ears are listening that you are trying. Means you can talk in English. Your ears are telling you, sending you the message to your brain that you can talk in English. This is the real goal, that you will have to take a start. You'll have to talk. You'll have to find a place where you can talk. And trust me, if you are having the real germs to learn, the real germs of confidence, you'll find out those places where you are discouraged. I personally am a person of this sort. If somebody discourages me, I jump up. I don't give up. I feel that this is really a point where I should reflect, where I should respond. So the same I wish for you, that you people are finding a place where people are discouraging you. You are more loudly talking. They must be saying that she is snobbish. Yes, I am. Later on, the same people will say you that you are confident. I personally have faced both the sides. I was criticized for the matter, then I was appreciated for the same matter. It happens. It happens when you are confident. So don't give up. The secret key to open the box of English language is to speak. And you are blessed if you are, trust me, you are seriously blessed if you are having some opportunities where you are provided with some native English speakers. Or even, I remember when I was in college, a Chinese girl was visiting there, and she used to talk to me, and I was very happy because she was having a very different accent and I enjoyed it. She was slower than me, and she many times said, I don't know the word to set it over here. I don't know. And I was very happy that I know. Okay. So this gives you confidence to move on. I just want you to avail that confidence, to practice, to keep on practicing. I can never be like a native speaker because my language, my first language is not English. So I would be caught many sides. I know I personally feel many times while speaking, while watching my own videos, sometimes I turn them off because I become confused. So this confusion is to overcome with your confidence. You must not stop at all. If somebody suppresses you, you will have to jump with the double speed. To sum up now, I'm just sharing one feeling that you will be having vocabulary, you will be having expressions, you will be having voice when you start listening yourself. So don't stop your mirror exercises. Don't stop to see yourself. Don't stop to observe yourself and find out those places where you can jump in. And find out your own circles. Make your own circles with your friends. For example, on WhatsApp, create some groups of your friends. You have been doing the same thing since your childhood. Now just change for the betterment. This is the only message for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.